For alignment with our company, eMaint kind of stands out amongst the other competitors or other software packages that are out there in a handful of ways that are super important to our organization. One is the customization of the workflows and the report building. When I think of the things I've accomplished with eMaint that I'm most proud of are my self-reliant ability of customizing, whether it be workflows or our dashboards or some of our automated generated PMs, automatically generated reports that go out to our teams. And so that self-efficient capability within eMaint of being able to customize and make it fit your business has then translated into much higher engagement with our group. So when their tools that I'm giving them fit what they're trying to accomplish and what they need to report out on every day, and the data and the information that they need, and from accountability of the technicians, our ability to generate workflows that reduce their keystrokes, which really maintenance technicians inherently don't like a lot of keystrokes. So if you have a software that you can customize to reduce the amount of keystrokes that they're putting into the product, every keystroke matters in manufacturing with our maintenance technicians and their time. And so the ability to customize the software to where the required fields are spelled out for them and then everything else auto-populates for them drives engagement and drives accountability of following all of our processes. And so we like to say the cornerstone of manufacturing is standardized processes. eMaint arms me with the ability to standardize processes.